Wasn't listening. I said I found a really good treasure that would make you rich. Ah! Where is it? Across the sea of teeth. Across the sea of teeth. Holy moly! Yeah, me and Bucky went there. You and Bucky? Where was I when this happened? I don't know. I saw you somewhere, but I forgot. Oh, you're gonna get it now. Captain Cranberry, leave my baby alone. Oh, be quiet, Bucky. Leave Bucky alone. Well, can we go there already and find that rich thing? It's not a thing, it's a treasure. The ultimate treasure of Oz. I think I know how to get there, but I forgot my shoes. I'll try it without it. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. Are you crazy, man? That only worked on the Wizard of Oz, you ding-dong. Stop saying that stuff, Captain Cranberry. I'm tired. I haven't gone to sleep. Get off me, you dum-dum. That hurt. Are we going or not? Sure. Is that okay, Bucky? Fine with me, baby. Okay, let's go. Wait for me. We're here. Where is here? Where's the treasure? I don't see it. It's right here. Holy moly, is that a money coral reef? Holy moly. Oh. Hey, camera guy, can you get a close-up on this? It's got money all over it. Oh, finally, I could buy that tanning bed. You don't need a tanning bed. You don't need anything. I'm buying maple syrup with this. Hi, fooled you all. It's just cardboard. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na.